Welcome to next session of formal language and automata theory. So in this video we are going to see procedure for Chomsky normal forms or reduction to Chomsky normal forms. Here the statement for this procedure is that for every CFG capital G there is an equivalent grammar G dash in Chomsky normal form. Now we have to prove this statement by using some theorem. So the solution for this statement is that the proof is, so basically we have to construct a capital G dash in CNF, capital G dash in CNF Chomsky normal form. We have to construct this G dash. So if you want to construct the G dash equivalent G dash for this capital G, so the step one is that, so from the given productions, so observe, is there any null and unity productions? If any unit and null productions are there, use that productions and eliminate that productions, eliminate that unit and null productions, and the rest of the productions you have to use in this process. The first step is that eliminate null and unit productions. And second step is that step 2, eliminate terminals on RHS of the productions as follows. The first step in this step 2 is that all productions in capital P of the form A tends to small a tends to BC are included in P dash. Step 2, consider the production A tends to A1, A2 and so on AN with some terminals on RHS and add new variables like C suffix AI and C suffix AI tends to A suffix I. So we have to replace A suffix I in place of A suffix I. We have to replace C suffix AI, so that C suffix AI generates small a suffix I in P dash for I equal to 1, 2 and so on n. The step 3 in step 2 is that 3, restricting the number of variables on RHS, we have to restrict number of variables on RHS as follows. So we have to restrict some variables on right hand side. So in that, step 1, all the productions of the form capital P are added to P dash if they are in required format, which means that CNF format. It's like capital A tends to small on terminal, single terminal, or capital A tends to two terminals, required in required format. Required form. And the P is consider capital A tends to A1, A2, there is no comma, and so on, AM for m greater than or equal to 3. So the value of capital M equal to m greater than or equal to 3 to reduce and not reduce, to introduce new productions. Capital A tends to right side should be two variables only, so which means that capital A tends to A1 C1, next C1 tends to A2 C2, and so on. Cm minus 2 tends to Am minus 1 Am, and then after converting all these productions, right side should be two variables, then we get CNF form. So this is the basic procedure to minimize or reduce to CNF after eliminating null and unit productions. So finally we can get required CNF. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel.